Welcome to craftroomtime.com. I'm Lori and I'm here to show you how to layer the flamingo. It's a very simple project. Just a quick tutorial to show you how I did the flamingos. On the little foam dots, I cut them in half so I could fill them in on the little spots on the flamingo layers. I'm also showing you here how the layers go. And to note, the one that has the legs that are straight is a little bit bigger than the other one. It was intended to be a male and a female, so I had made the other one a little bit bigger. So the nose will be a little bigger, the eyes will be a little bit bigger, and the bodies are a little bit bigger, etc. So just take your time, put the things together, all the layers. I used an X-Acto knife. You just have to be careful with the tools you're using, of course. When you're attaching the layers, it's easy to just kind of line things up. I usually start at the bottom or work my way up, whatever makes sense, but I don't tend to lay it all on it at once unless it's a smaller piece. That way I can line up the bottom and then gradually bring it up to the top. So here I'm showing you how to put the nose together, or the beak I should say. And just checking to see which one's bigger. They're just a fraction of a bigger. So I did use the Elmer's glue stick to put these together, and on the first one I had layered it already. It's easier if you put the nose on the one layer that has the cutouts in the neck first before you do this, but either way it works. And the purple, of course, disappears, dries to clear. So that is the female that is put together. I'm just adjusting and putting on some more dots to make sure that the neck's in the right place and everything is laying properly. This is the water, of course optional. It's just 2 layers. Very simple. It just gives them something to stand on. And there you have it. That's just how simple it is to put the flamingos together. And then you can lay it on a piece of paper, 12 by 12, or whatever you desire, and put it in a shadow box or on a piece of wood. So let me know if you liked that. Like and subscribe our channel. Send me some love in your comments, and I'll see you later.